Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can remove background of the non-green screen video in CapCut PC. So I have this videos of a man walking and I want to remove its background. So instead of using the chroma key, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background on this video. So first click on the video and then just go to under the video tab. You can go to cut out, and then here you need to use the auto cutout feature. By clicking on this, it will turn on and the background of the video will be like cut out or removed completely like this, and it will turn into a black background like this, and it's still applying. But that's basically how you can remove the background of a non-green screen video in CapCut PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.